Make a great choice today with the 2025 Cadillac CT4. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 7,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, tire pressure monitoring system, Inside you'll find adaptive cruise control, HD radio, keyless start, power outlet, climate control, floor mats. The Cadillac CT4 not only has the exterior style, but the performance to match. The CT4 has plenty of luxury and technology features, which is highlighted by its updated infotainment center. Come see the car for yourself.